Hey there! In this walkthrough, I'll show you the property maintenance and work order tracker. Whether you manage one rental or a whole portfolio, the maintenance is what quietly eats your time and your returns. The repairs, the vendors, the parts, the inspections. This workbook keeps all of it organized in one place, so nothing gets forgotten and nothing gets overpaid. Let's take a look. We start on the Start Here tab. It's a friendly guide explaining how the workbook is laid out and the order to fill it in, so you're organized in just a few minutes. The Settings tab is where you tailor it to your properties, your categories, priorities, and the drop-down lists that keep every entry consistent. The Asset Register is your list of everything you maintain, units, appliances, and systems, with details and warranty dates, so you always know what you're responsible for. The PM schedule handles preventive maintenance, recurring tasks like filter changes and servicing, with due dates that surface automatically, so small jobs never turn into big repairs. The Work Orders tab logs every repair from request to done, with priority, status, cost, and who did it, so you can see exactly what's open and what's been handled. The Vendors tab keeps your contractors in one directory: trades, contact details, and rates. So when something breaks, you know exactly who to call. The Maintenance budget tracks your spend against budget per property, so you can see where the money is going and catch a property that's costing more than it should. The Parts and Supplies tab tracks the materials you keep on hand with quantities and reorder points, so you're never caught short mid-repair. The Inspections tab logs your routine and move-in and move-out inspections with dates and findings, keeping you compliant and protected. Finally, the dashboard pulls it all together: open work orders, upcoming preventive tasks, spend versus budget, and anything overdue flagged in red. So one screen tells you where to focus today. And that's the whole system. It works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, so you can update it from the office or on-site. The link to grab your copy is in the description. Thanks so much for watching.